Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing how to set page margins in Microsoft Word. Alright, do you want your text to have the perfect spacing from the page edge? That is where margin comes in. So to get that done, go to the Layout tab and click Margins. Okay, this is Home. Okay, it's on. So I want to go to the Layout tab. You can see the Layout tab is here, so you click on the layout, then from the left corner you would see margins. Okay, so click on the arrow for it to drop down. Now you will see options like normal, narrow, moderate, and wide. As you can see, mirrored, normal, narrow, moderate, wide. Okay, so all you need to do is just to click want to apply instantly. So let me click on, let's say, narrow, for example. You see it has changed the orientation. Let me click on wide. You see, so it has also changed. Okay, but if you want more control, if you want more control, let's say you want to set your own margin. So all you need to do is to click custom margins at the bottom. So when you come here, still on the layout, okay, you click on the arrow, then you click on custom margins here. Okay, now from here you can set your desired margin. So let's change it to 0.375. Let's make the same dimension as well, 0.375. Okay, 1 the normal, let me make it zero margin. Okay, see that? Now you can see that the margin has changed. Okay, so that is it. So it is very simple. So from this now we're still on layout. So from this margin, from the custom margins, you can adjust. As you can see, I just adjusted the inside and outside dimension. You can do for the top, bottom. You can adjust it, then also adjust for the cutout. Okay, so that is that. Um, so uh, that is all about margin. So if you like the video, like and subscribe for more word formatting tips. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.